Hey everybody, Chef Fabio Viviani here in the Savour Kitchen. Today, creating a fantastic appetizer with one of my favorite ingredients in the whole world, Prosciutto di San Daniele. Originally from the region of Friuli Venezia Giulia in the northeast region of Italy, Prosciutto di San Daniele is the perfect complement for a classic Italian appetizer. In this case, today we serve some fruit and some Prosciutto di San Daniele on some wrapped Grissini. So what we are doing here, to take the flavor of the Grissini to another level, I'm brushing them with some rosemary infused mascarpone. You can use whatever kinds of herb you want, but I like the idea of the rosemary because it's very earthy and it tastes delicious. A lot of natural oil in it. They're very easy, and I have to be precise. Look, it's rustic, it's beautiful, it's perfectly delicious, and it's easy to do. For this recipe and many more recipes with Prosciutto di San Daniele, go visit the website legendfromeurope.eu.